Hello, Mastery community. Today, I'd like to go over the proper protocol and etiquette on how to fold and tie your belt. So let's get to it. The first thing we want to do is every time we're done with our class, we want to fold our belt up properly. We're going to take our belt and find the center. We're going to crease it and fold it all the way down, just like that. Then you're going to go ahead and fold it again, and then you're going to fold it one more time, so you make a nice, even stature, just like that. Now what you want to do is with your belt, you either A, want to store it in your gear bag neatly, or B, before I had a gear bag, I used to put it on my bureau at my house, so this is where I remember my mastery class every day. Now, the proper protocol for tying on your belt before class is this. You'd like to go down on your right knee. Once you're down on your right knee, you're going to go ahead and unravel your belt. You're going to take the side with the colored stripes and put it on your right hip. Then you're going to take your belt and put it behind you just like that. So in your right hand you want to have a small side, and in your left hand you want to have a bigger side. The one with the bigger side is going to actually wrap around your body again, just like this. Now, once you've had both, if you look closely at my belt, the one in my right hand, the belt is tucked underneath. The one in my left is actually on top. Now what I'm going to do is follow it. So I'm going to even it out to make sure both of them are nice and even at the end. Just like that. Now, very simple. I'm going to take my left hand and cross it over my right to make an X. And now, the one that I crossed on top, I'm going to take it and bring it under and over just like that. So now what I'm going to do is pull up and down and let them fall. Once they fall, the one that's higher, I'm going to cross that one over the bottom one and then pull the top one through this hole just like this. And then what I'm going to do is tie my belt tight and say, yes, I can. When you're done, we like to refer to it as a butterfly knot. The knot should be over your heart, and then the two butterfly wings should be crossed over just like that. What I like to do now is for you to zoom in a little closer, and I'm going to do it behind, okay? Let's try it this way now too, just so you can follow along with me. I'm going to take my belt and put it on the right side of my hip. I'm going to take the long side and wrap it around again. So now I have a short and a long. I'm going to take the longer one and then wrap it around my waist again, just like this. Okay? Now, from here, I want to even them out, and remember, say it with me. Left over right, right over left. So my left hand's going to go over my right hand, and the one on top is going to go under and through and pull. And then my right hand's going to go over my left hand, and then the one on top is going to pull through to create a butterfly knot just like that. The knot wants to be over your heart, and the wings want to be out like that. So that's the proper way for Mastery students to tie their belts. We look forward to seeing you in our classes, and thank you for watching.